kids, are you tired of waiting for someone to pour your juice or get a little milk for your cereal bowl? Sometimes lifting heavy jugs and helping yourself can be a total disaster. Oh no, what a mess! Say goodbye to spills forever. Lift and pour no more. With the Magic Tap, now you can fill your own cereal bowl or get your own juice without spilling a drop. With the Magic Tap beverage dispenser, you're in charge. Quickly and easily help yourself. Anywhere, anytime. Using your Magic Tap is super easy. Just lock your trigger and insert the super straw into your beverage container. Adjust the silicone wings and turn the trigger lock off. Now you're ready to go. Simply tap your glass to the trigger and watch it fill like magic. Magic Tap's powerful motor draws your drink up the super straw and out the spout without spilling a drop. The Magic Tap works on most non-carbonated beverages. It's marvelous for milk, wonderful for juice, perfect for water, and super for sports drinks. And because it's battery-powered, you can use it anywhere, anytime. You and your friends can get your own drinks all by yourself. Even Mom and Dad will love using the Magic Tap. It's great for birthday parties, super for sporting events, and you'll love it for lemonade stands. So much fun and easy to use, everyone will want to help themselves. You and your friends will love using the Magic Tap.